Russian Asher. You like that, don't you? Look at his fur. His fur just really, really shines in the sunlight. Wow, look at that. Look at his fur pattern, just really pops. Look at that. You're quite a handsome cat, you know that. He doesn't really shed. He sheds the least amount out of all of our cats. All of our cats are pretty, but Ash's fur just really pops in the sunlight. I know. Are you grown up, kitty, now? You grown up. You're an adult cat. I think you're still a kitten, honestly. You act like a kitten. Definitely not acting like an adult cat. Okay, well, if you're going to chew on this camera, then you're going to get brushed. Also, we went to the cat cafe yesterday. That was fun. Lots of pretty cats there. What? No, I'm getting a lot. Actually, I'm getting a fair amount of fur off of him. I think with this little bit of a heat wave we're having, I think he's actually shedding a little bit more. Aren't you? Yes, you're very pretty.